Well, it's a treat to come to California, where really the history of air pollution improvement is, that's where it's all been done. And it was a treat for us to do the research here in California and have this context of 5 or more decades of air pollution improvement. And it puts our measurements that are just a snapshot in context of this improvement in California. And so we look back at how the air has been cleaned up over the years, and it's just remarkable to us how much progress has been made. People sometimes forget it's taken 5 decades, so from year to year you don't notice the difference, but it's so accumulated over after all these years. Well, in terms of particulate matter, the Beijing now, the very worst episodes are worse than what Los Angeles suffered. But on an annual average, Los Angeles may well have been worse. Just everyday severe air pollution. And so hopefully Beijing will learn from Los Angeles' experience, and they can clean up much quicker. Most of the ozone in Houston comes in from outside, and that Houston adds enough of its own to put them over the air quality standards. And so the same impact is in California. It's a different degree, it's a different mechanism of transport perhaps, but needs to be considered in California, particularly now when the urban pollution is approaching what the background pollution is, particularly for ozone. Our research group at NOAA is doing preliminary studies in Asia. And so you're always interested in going where the action is. And it's clear that in East Asia, that's where the action is. And so it'll be interesting to stay involved in the pollution research there. There may be different species, different atmospheric components that are important to the pollution. People keep talking about nitrous acid, HONO, as being an important part of the Asian pollution. And that's not understood. And so it'll be very interesting to see how the mix of pollutants compares between Asia and the US.